Today, student, we're looking at fraction. We say fraction is a part of a whole, or a number that is less than 1 but greater than 0. Example of fraction, we have 2 divided by 3, 7 divided by 9, and so on and so forth. Now, this fraction is divided into 2 parts. The up part is called the numerator. The down part is called the denominator. The line is called a dividing line. We have 3 types of fraction. The first one is called the proper fraction. The proper fraction. Example of the proper fraction is 2 divided by 3, that is on the board. In the proper fraction, the numerator is smaller, denominator is bigger. Number 2, we have improper fraction. That's the reverse of this. Example, 3 divided by 2. Now the numerator is bigger, denominator is smaller. The improper fraction always leads us to the third fraction, which is mixed fraction. Example is 1 divided by 2. So we're going to focus on these 2 types of fraction, how to convert from this to this and this to this. Number 1, we are looking at changing. This is an improper fraction. We want to change it to a mixed fraction. So how do we start? You divide with your denominator. 4 into 9, it will go twice, 2, remainder 1. So that is how it look like. 4 into 9, 2, remainder 1. But you can't write it this way. So what it will give you, 4 into 9, 2, remainder 1, that is 1 divided by 4. So this is how it will. Then change to improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. Now you want to convert it back to this. You start with 2, the down times the whole number. 2 times 3. 2 times 3 plus your numerator 1 divided by 2. 2 times 3 plus your numerator, which is 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus your 1 divided by 2. And this will give us 7 divided by 2. Good. If you want to convert this back to this, in the same way you do it, 4 times 2. 4 times 2 plus your 1 divided by 4. 4 times 2 will be 8 plus 1 divided by 4. And that will give us 9 divided by 4. So you're back to this. So I'll put up your assignment now.